GK Quiz Science and Technology. Which was the world's first floating nuclear plant developed by Russia? Academic Lomonosov. When was Russia's world's first floating nuclear power plant completed? On 14th September 2019. From which place Nepal has launched its first satellite Nepali Sat-1? United States. When did Nepali Sat-1 reach the International Space Station? On 19th April 2019. Which was the first stage of a privately funded initiative to transfer living DNA to the moon? An Israeli spacecraft called Beresheet. Which creature is linked with the moon pollution? Tardigrades, also called water bears. What do tardigrades do to slow down their metabolic rate during dehydration? They roll up into a spore-like state. How long do tardigrades survive being exposed to radiation? Over 100 years. In which year tardigrades were discovered? In 1773. Who discovered tardigrades? Johann August Ephraim Gauss. Who are the recipients of Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2019? John B. Goodenough, an American materials scientist. M. Stanley Whittingham, a British-American chemist. And Akira Yoshino, a Japanese chemist. What made John B. Goodenough, M. Stanley Whittingham, and Akira Yoshino to win the Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2019? Development of lithium-ion batteries. Which light exposure may accelerate aging? Blue light. Which state of India became first to reserve a government job for HIV positive candidates? Kerala. According to the researchers, the first ever stable ring of pure carbon consists of how many atoms? 18. In which continent scientists have found particles of rare isotope of iron? Antarctica. Which animal never drinks water in its entire life? Kangaroo rat. What is the physical phase of life called? Protoplasm. Which is the largest cell in the world? The egg of an ostrich. Which is the largest human cell? Ovum. Which is the longest human cell? Neurons. The BrahMos missile was developed by which country? Developed with joint venture of India and Russia. What is the chemical name of vitamin C? Ascorbic acid. Which heavy metal causes Ithai-Ithai disease? Cadmium. Which is India's first indigenously developed vaccine? Rotavac. Which is the non-renewable source of energy? Thermal. Which company designed the world's first 30 kilowatt class Athena drone destroying laser? Kratos Defense and Security Solutions. Who have developed a genome the size of a minimal cell that can copy itself? Scientists at the Max Planck Institute of Biochemistry. What is a new type of magnet discovered by scientists that has more flexibility than conventional magnets and holds promise for enhancing the performance of data storage technologies? Singlet-based magnet. GK with Anand is an innovative YouTube channel providing valuable, relevant and enjoyable online education pertaining to general knowledge. GK with Anand will explore through the Indian and world geography and history, everyday science, international organizations, awards and honors, Indian economy and politics, the Constitution of India, current affairs, etc. General knowledge topics and questions enable you to score higher and also give you an advantage over others in the group discussions and personal interview rounds. Subscribe this channel to know more and tap the bell icon to get notified.